Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on this beautiful minty green and brown look. So like a chocolate chip or like a mint chocolate chip kind of look. I love how this turned out. I wanted a look to go with the dress that I'm wearing. And we're using, you guessed it, the Wet n Wild Wild Heart eyeshadow palette. This is a look number 5. Look number 5. So to start off, we're using the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, and I'm using the Hourglass loose powder to catch fallout, which surprisingly there's not a lot of fallout with this palette. It's just some of the shades. And first I'm taking this shade from the first row, and this is just a skin tone kind of shade. It's a few shades darker than my actual skin tone. Also, it's kind of like a caramel matte shade. Yes, that's what it looks like. I'm going to take that on a fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to windshield wiper that in the crease. Now, once that is done, I'm taking this dark chocolate brown, and I'm going to be picking that up on the same crease brush. And this time I'm going to apply or use it on the side of the brush and kind of like pat that in the outer corner, and look how fast that builds up. This shade is super pigmented and they're blending very nicely together. They are of the same texture formula kind of family. They're both matte, so they're going to blend really nicely. I'm taking the shimmery green from the eyeshadow palette. It's the only green that's in the palette. And I'm taking this on a small shader brush, and I'm just going to apply this next to the outer corner and in the center of the lid. And I'm going to leave the most inner corner blank for now. And I'm going to build this up. Isn't this such a beautiful green shade? It's so pretty. So once I have that built up, then we'll move on to the lid. But I'm going to blend the other shades with this green as well. So it's LaColors Duo and Twin Flame, and I just like the shimmery green shade that's in this little duo here, and it happened to be on my desk, so I was like, this will go perfect with this. So this is what's going on the inner corner of the lid. I also think this would be pretty with like a shimmery white, which is in the palette actually. It would be really pretty to mix those together. Do the green and the shimmery white. It would still be like a mint chocolate chip look. So we're going to reapply shades, blend a little bit, and just work on the crease for a moment here. And I always go back with shades and build them back up, blend them back together. And I'm also going to take the AOA Studio Perfect Pressed Powder, and this is just for brow highlight. There is brow highlights in the palette, but I'm trying to use this powder up, so that's why I'm using it. It makes for a nice brow highlight. It's too light for my skin tone, so I use it for a brow highlight. And I'm going to continue to blend in the crease. Blend, blend, blend. We're going to take the dark shimmery green that is in the palette and apply that to the lower lash line. And once I have that, I'm going to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk to put a little bit in the inner corner. I'm going to blend that out with my finger, and I'm going to be taking the Revlon Galaxy Dream highlighting palette, and I'm going to take the duochrome shade in the palette that's white and green, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner. Now from Shein, the SheGlam Chroma Zone eyeliners. This eyeliner is called Subliminal, and these are amazing. These eyeliners are amazing. Once they're in your waterline, they do not budge. These are multi-chrome, multi-dimensional eyeliners. They are really awesome for the price. So I use the gold and green shifting one in my waterline. And that is the Believe Beauty Extend Mascara. And there's the finished look. For lips, of course, I'm doing something nude, and it's LaColors New Glam Oh Teddy. These earrings also came from Shein. Aren't they pretty? And I really love how the look turned out today. I hope you found the video helpful. Well, stay tuned for more videos using this palette, because there are much more coming. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box and the cards for additional links as well as a product list. Stay tuned for more looks. And thank you guys so very much for watching.